Hi guys, welcome to Hot Celebrity Leads, a channel where South African celebrity news is served hot and fresh. Minnie Dlamini breaks her silence. For years now, there seems to have been beef between MacG and Minnie Dlamini. For years, MacG has expressed his dislike for Minnie on his podcast, but recently has went too far. When in one of Podcast and Chill recent episode, he degraded her in a way unimaginable. He claims that the reason Minnie Dlamini can't keep a man is because she might be smelling down there. A lot of people were not happy about that statement, and he faced a lot of backlash from mostly women who were offended by the statement. He later apologized and said that Minnie Dlamini insulted him by claiming he's a sexual offender. Minnie broke her silence on a statement that she posted on her IG account earlier today. And this is what it says. Over the past few weeks, I have watched in disbelief and deep pain as my name, body, and dignity were dragged through the mud of the public discord, triggered by the vile, humiliation, inexcusable comments made by Mr. Mukwege on his podcast. Let it be stated clearly, I have never made any negative comment or statement about this man. All I did was defend the dignity and integrity of a fellow woman in the industry against the vile objectifying remark made about her. To think that standing up for another woman justify years of lies, online harassment, degrading commentary in my name is both cruel and revealing. This is not about ego, this is about systemic misogyny. While I have chosen not to dignify the specifics with a response, I must emphasize that there is nothing entertaining or provocative about weaponizing a woman's body for clout. I have received an apology from Podcast and Chill via their attorney. An apology offered only after the damage is done and reputations are on the line. It is not a meaningful act of accountability, especially when it comes from a platform that had made misogyny part of its brand. This was not a lapse in judgment. It was a reflection value consistently displayed and defended by the show and its hosts. To apologize now only when public pressure threatens their image is to center their own reputational damage rather than the trauma inflicted on others. I must say clearly, words without genuine accountability are hollow. I will continue to pursue legal resources because as a public figure and a mother, I must act not only for myself but for every woman whose dignity is violated in the name of content and entertainment. To everyone who has offered support, stood beside me and raised their voice, ngiyabonga. Your solidarity has been a source of strength and a reminder that this is about more than just me. It's about every woman who has been publicly degraded, digitally humiliated, or silenced through shame. She continued to highlight the damage that is caused by misogyny in the country. Anyway, guys, please do comment your thought down below. Do you think that MacG went too far or Minnie Dlamini deserved all that harsh statement coming from MacG? Please do not forget to comment, subscribe, share, and like this video. I love you.